What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you top crypto gaming projects for 2024. Trillions of dollars will flow into Web3 gaming in this coming year. Top gaming projects can do easily from 20 to 100x. I have total 20 projects for you guys, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to break down into two different videos. Part 1 I'm going to cover first 10 projects, and then part 2 I'm going to cover second 10 projects. And every project that I'm going to show you in this video, I'm going to leave links in the description below. But before I show you the project, just have to state something. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research before investing money into anything. So the first project, it's called SHRAPNEL, and SHRAPNEL is a first-person shooter game set in a world where after an asteroid collision with the moon in 2038, meteors frequently fall to Earth. Players can engage in intense combat to collect those meteorites, aiming to survive and earn. So as you can see, at the time of recording this video, they have 334,000 followers on their Twitter account. They have really huge community, a lot of engagement on every one of their Twitter posts, and looks like they're keep building and building. So they already have a link hub, so you can find all of their information about the project. You can go to website and read a little bit more. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna look at the tokenomics. And SHRAPNEL has already tokens. At the time of recording this video, each token costs 33 cents. Total supply is 3 billion. Circulation supply is unknown, at least on the CoinGecko for right now. And if we scroll down, as you can see, all times high, this project was at 43 cents, and all times low, 7 cents. I think this project still has a huge potential to run a lot higher, and this project is an avalanche chain. And let's take a look at the second project, and second one is called SIDUS. And SIDUS is a Web3 AI powered gaming metaverse that offers interstellar exploration and conquest. They have an innovative in-game economy with many exciting games in their pipeline, and this project also has a huge community, a lot of engagement on their Twitter posts. Then they have a website and also Linktree that you can go and you can see, and looks like they have a book live on Amazon. So it's pretty huge for this type of project. And let's look at their tokenomics really quick. At the time of recording this video, each token, it's not even a penny, but entire supply is pretty big. Max supply is 30 billion, total supply 22, and in circulation it's almost 10 billion. Still, I think this project has a huge potential to go up, even up to 100x. And then the third project, it's called Ultra. Ultra is a video game publishing platform. They aim to disrupt current industry giant like Steam by offering a fair solution for devs and players. They provide playable games, earning opportunities, marketing tools, revenue for devs, and much more. And you can go to their Linktree, find everything about this project in general. They also have a really huge community as well, and pretty good engagement on their Twitter post. And then if we look at the tokens, so each token costs 24 cents. Supply is not that huge. Circulation supply is 330 million tokens. And then if we scroll down, all times high it was $2.49, and all times low 2 pennies. So this project definitely has a lot of room to grow, and it has a huge potential for upcoming up bull run. And then let's look at project number 4. It's called Star Atlas. They all have a huge community, and a Star Atlas is multiplayer game with high quality graphics from Unreal Engine 5. Players choose from human, alien, and android fractions. The game mixes strategy, exploration, and role play. Players can trade assets for real money. So they have their own ecosystem and etc. And this game is built on Solana. And let's look at their tokens really quick. Again, very similar to one of the previous projects. Each token, not even a penny. Circulation supply is 14 billion. But I think this project has a lot of room to grow. And again, let's take a look at their all times high, 26 cents, and all times low, 1/10 of the penny. So definitely this project is almost at the all times low. So it has a huge potential to grow 10x, 20x, and possibly even 100x easy. And then project number 5, it's called Seedify. So Seedify is a blockchain gaming incubator and a launchpad. They offer support and funding to gaming projects. Seedify Future an IGO launchpad with a tiered system for C funds holder eligibility, early access to gaming project. So basically you can invest into early project that Seedify is actually going to be launching on their launchpad. As you can see, they have 800,000 followers, huge community. They had probably one of the best projects on their launchpad in the Web3 ecosystem. And then if we look at their tokens, as you can see, circulation supply 58 millions and token $3.91. Then if we scroll down, all times high was $16 and all times low 29 cents. So I think this project still has a huge potential, especially with all the games coming out. And since Web3 gaming meta is so huge right now for upcoming bull run, I think this project, specifically the token, can do very well, because to participate in the launchpad you have to have so many tokens and they have to be locked. So a lot of tokens is going to be locked. With that being said, supply and demand, supply is going to be low and demand is going to be high. Tokens can do very, very well. Then project number 6, it's called Nakamoto Games. Nakamoto Games is play to earn gaming platform offering multiple fun and addictive crypto games. They also offer innovative tools for devs for launching and monetizing their own games. So also really good community. Looks like they have more than 500,000 registered users across multiple countries, and communities just keeps growing and growing. And let's look at their token. Each token is $75, circulation supply 65 millions, and at the all times high this token was $6 and all times low 5 cents. Again, this is another token that can do very well in this upcoming bull run, and it's on the Polygon chain, so if you decide to purchase, gas fee is going to be really low. And let's look at the project number 7. It's called Vulcan Forged, and Vulcan Forge is leading Web3 game studio and marketplace. They have 10 plus games, 20,000 plus community, and top 5 NFT marketplace volume. So as you can see, this is #1 blockchain gaming ecosystem fueled by the PYR tokens. As you can see, they have a lot of followers on their Twitter, and that you can also pull up their website and read a little bit more, but we're gonna take a look at just the tokens. So each token is cost $6.32. Circulation supply is really small, 23 millions. And if we scroll down, you can see all times high, this was almost $50 and all times low, little over $1. So I think this project is still at the very early stage since the price went down, and there's a lot of opportunities for this project to go way higher than from previous high. And project number 8, it's called Beam. Beam is one of the new project on the block, and Beam Network is a gamer and developing ecosystem under Metric Circle DAO. They offer tools for blockchain integration and games. Beam is used for all network transactions and the smart contract interaction. So like I stated earlier, this is one of the latest and the newest project on the block, and they're growing. They have a strong community. At the time of recording, they have almost 27,000 followers. They have a website and much more. And let's take a look at their token. So their token at the time of recording this video, almost 2 cents per token. Circulation supply 47 billions. And then if we scroll down, as you can see, all times low was a little less than half a penny, and all times high almost 3 cents. So as you can see, this project had a decent run, but it's nothing to compare what's gonna happen in a bull run. And let's look at project number 9. It's called Illuvium. Most likely you already heard about this project. And Illuvium is an open world fantasy game on Ethereum. They combine open world exploration with a PvP auto battler gameplay. Players capture and train creatures called Illuvials, and they use them in a battle. And as you can see, they have a lot of followers on their Twitter. They have a website, Discord, and much more. And let's take a look at their tokens. So each token is $93.60, but look at the circulation supply. It's 6 million tokens. So if we scroll down, as you can see, each token at all times high was almost $2,000, and all time low it was $30. So I think this project has a huge potential to go at least 10, 20x. I believe it can even go 50x. So this is another one to keep an eye on. And then the last project for this part 1 video, and then the project number 10, it's called Immutable. Immutable X is a layer 2 solution for Ethereum NFT. They fix Ethereum scalability and make minting and trading free. Immutable X is user-friendly, fast, aims to become the top choice for gaming NFT creators and for crypto gaming marketplace. So as you can see, they have a huge amount of followers on their Twitter account, they have a website and much more. And let's just take a look at their tokens. Immutable X at the time of recording this video, $2.29, circulation supply 1.2 billion, and if we scroll down, at the all-time low this token was 37 cents and all-time high it was $9.52. I think this token still has a lot of room to grow and it has a bright future with the huge gains to be made. And this is pretty much it. I'm gonna end this part 1 video. Every project that I talk about, I'm gonna leave links in the description below, and once part 2 is gonna come out, I'm gonna leave link in the description below as well. Good luck to everybody and thanks for watching.